So how was it? I know it is very difficult to learn, 7 chapters, 90 tasks. It was huge syllabus at the end of the day. Am I right? So Shazia has done a wonderful job. The session was quite informative. At least I liked it. So I would like to have a genuine feedback from the participants.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
please.
also waiting.
Yeah,
I'm
of
also
course.
waiting for the feedback. Yes.
Yeah. So please speak about how was the program. Have you understood all 7 chapters with 90 tasks? Was there anything missing, or what do you expect more? When we go for the advanced level of course for 2 days. So please, you can speak one by one, and then there will be a final assignment, and we are going to send a Google form. Like morning, we have taken a pre-assessment. Now this is a post assessment. So there will be 2 set of question, 15 marks each. So 15, 15, 30 marks. And you have to score minimum 70%. Then only you will be receiving e-certificate. So thank you once again for your patient hearing. And please, I will request one by one, like Dr. Vidya Sagar, can you speak few words about our program? First of all, have you understood? Dr. Vidya Sagar. Or maybe Avani, you can start with.
Yes, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad to start with. So,
Yeah.
first of all, I would really like to mention that, from the beginning, how you started introducing your firm and the way you mentioned that, you help to those, girls or, women who have taken a break and, who wants to come back, or maybe during the process, they want to come back. So I have a 2-year-old child, and when he was 5 months old. Um, the CEO of our company, Mr. Rajiv Gupta, he offered me this opportunity, and I feel so happy about it. That at that phase of life, he gave me an opportunity to continue with my job, and I understand that how much need a girl, has to continue her work and to progress in that work. Because if I wouldn't have progressed, I would have stuck at ISO 13485, and I wouldn't be here learning MDSAP. So
Right,
I
right.
really appreciate your effort. You give, that platform to women who really want to restart with their life, with their professional life. So that's really good about you. And about the training, it was very wonderful. About regulatory, I have personally experienced, the more you go through the regulations, the more you understand. The more
Yeah,
you
more you
listen the regulation,
practice,
the more you understand.
more you
Yeah.
practice,
So
you will learn.
implementation stage comes very late. It comes from within. Like you said, you have to gain experience, and you have to learn how to generate documents. But the progress comes by listening, by observing, by reading, and that's all about regulatory. So the session was really interesting. The way it was carried forward, part by part, every section, everything was nice. And yeah, it was good to be here. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, Avni.
Thanks,
And
Avni. Yeah.
I'm
Thank
really
you.
proud of you. Having so small child, you are, having passion to learn. I
Yeah.
always tell my participants, my friends, my colleagues, always remember 4D and 2P principle. The first D is the desire. First D,
Mm,
when you have the desire, the dream uh,
mm.
to become a regulatory affair professional or the lead auditor. Dream could be anything, okay,
Yes.
which you desire. Then
Mm,
you have to determine, dedicate yourself until you reach your destination. These are 4D. The first D
mm,
is also important. First P, the 4D and 2P. The first
mm.
P is what? Passion. You should have
Passion.
passion, to
Yeah.
learn, earn, and everything, do whatever you
Yes.
desire. So passion and the patience. The
Mm,
last P is the patience. Okay.
mm.
So to achieve those 4D, you should have patience equally. Correct?
Correct.
So now
Yeah.
you must have seen the entire day we kept you busy. Credit goes to Shazia and you all, because you
Yeah.
were patiently hearing to the
Mm,
training program. So
True.
really pat yourself, and one should be self-motivated. If you want to desire, if you want to achieve something as per your desire, then of course you should have patience also and the passion. So
True,
that's
true.
takeaway from my end. Thank you
Thank you.
once again, Avni. Thank you, Shazia. So I will move to the next participant. Maybe I need a voluntary, so I need not to take the names. So please, if you really feel satisfied, you should speak what you learned, how was the program, do you need any improvement or anything which comes to your mind.
So the
I
program
hope
was
Saurav has learned a lot. Saurav is going to speak nicely.
program was really good and
Yeah,
trainer was,
Adi Sharma, you can just introduce first. Your voice is not audible.
and Madam Sajia was also very सबको इतनी देर तक involve रखना is not possible. So
Correct. All I
uh,
said no, all credit
credit-
goes to Shazia.
yes, credit goes to Sajia Madam.
Correct.
And
Thanks, thanks.
training was very useful. Definitely will implement in our organization.
Yeah, surely. See, you have to practice, you have to learn, relearn, because you have to go through each chapter and each task personally. It's not a very easy task. 90 tasks to remember within 7 to 8 hours. It's not a joke. So thank you once again, Adi Sharma. Now I request Saurav to say a few words.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely one of the best part of this training was, the engagement part. I mean, such kind of trainings where we learn about standards. There are two things. One is that you know some basics, and second part is that you hear the trainer speak and you understand what you get. But here there was a third element, which was the engagement between all the people, where we got to see the perspective of each and everyone. Regulatory is something where each and everyone's perspective is kind of different, and when you get to understand each two or more, or maybe like when you're a group of people and get to know about how everyone thinks about your idea of regulatory even broadens, and you get to understand it better. So definitely thank you for keeping us engaged for whole period of time, and that was the best part for me. And when you are engaged for long period of time, you really understand things. So yeah, that was the best part for me.
Thank you, Saurav.
Yeah, thanks, Saurabh.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
So who is next? Hello, Dr. Praveen Gupta. Want to say something? Or maybe Pradeep Verma?
Yes, good evening, madam.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, thanks to Madam Shazia and yourself. We understood the program, appreciate your efforts, and training is fine.
Okay.
I think this is the conclusion.
Okay.
from
Thank
my
you.
side.
Thank you.
Pradeep? Pradeep is busy. Vidyashri? Want to say a few things? Or Dr. Vidyasagar in the meantime? Who is ready? Or you don't want to speak? You will give a written feedback? You will receive a feedback form also along with the quiz. Okay. Vivek, you want to say something? Okay, no problem. Thanks once again to each one of you and for your patient hearing. And you will learn a lot definitely. There are, more programs we are planning to launch, by this September month, October and the November month. And we will be sending all the e-brochures to you. Keep watching. We have YouTube channel also, so I will give the link also. So if you have any thing about medical devices, regulatory affairs, or any kind of topic which comes to your mind, and wherein you feel that you should approach consultant auditor like us, please feel free to talk to us. Please feel free to write to us. You have our email ID, you have Neeta's ID. Neeta has made a WhatsApp group, so you can contact her directly for any kind of help, any kind of support. Thank you once again. So I'm closing the session, and please go through the quiz session, which will be sent on your WhatsApp number. But there is a limitation, okay? You have to finish this task before you go to sleep, okay? So you have to determine, you have to be dedicated till you finish your task, right? Then only we will feel that the training was effective and you have understood the subject, okay? Once we feel satisfied, then it will be the closure of my training program. That's what the effectiveness of training will be seen. Okay, so my humble request, before you go to sleep, maybe it's 11, 12 o'clock or midnight. So before tomorrow, arises, please try to finish this 30 question. And then maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, by Monday, you will receive your e-certificate in your inbox. Okay. Thank you once again. Thank you, Shazia. And bye.
Thanks all.
Bye. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. If
Thank
you
you.
feel anything is left out, anything you want to discuss, please feel free to talk to me or Neeta. My number I'm giving here. Okay. My number is 98191. 25208. Okay. So you can just speak to me whenever you feel free to, talk on any topic. Thank you once.